Oh, that's not a true statement tree. That's a critter. It's moving though. It was up here, now it sounds like a
Yeah. Something's up, huh, Fendi? You're not doing your running around, are you? What is it, Fendi? You want to come over here with the people? Oh, you want to stand guard? Okay.
What's the chances of that one?
Let's go see, Fendi. Let's go see. Would not. Sounded like something just slapped a tree.
Huh?
Sounded like something slapped a tree.
There was something making a noise up in here because I heard it move. It was over in here to start with, and then it sounded like it moved over into here.
One of them, it sounded like an animal. On another one, it sounded like a tree rubbing against
But
a
if
tree.
it was
I'm
a
not
tree,
sure.
if it was a tree, it wouldn't have stopped just because I walked up here.
Well, you're right about that. I mean, the wind's still blowing just like it was.
Another one right down in there. Look at that big X.
Mm-hmm. We got up here and take, we won't really go now. Just what?
Right here. I got here. Nobody got behind me.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember that day. We met some of your buddies that day that you knew too out here. But you hadn't seen them in a while. See something?
You hear it?
Whatever it is moving. You're right, it's moving.
It's
not-
it's
Did you hear
pushing
it that
trees.
time?
Yep. Here she comes.
It's coming back now. I've started running after it.
It was out this way
Yeah,
this
it's
time.
like that.
Yeah, that's not her snapping bushes.
That's pretty interesting. You hear that whoop over here,
Mm-hmm.
and then up here above it.
And that, I don't know, man. I don't know if that doesn't really sound totally like a pig. Mm-hmm. Whatever it is, you can't seem to pinpoint it or see it.
And the weird thing is that that room. Now we've talked a lot. Was that?
I heard that too.
Whoa. You heard that? That
It's,
was really loud.
Tim, it's circling around. It's down there. It's down this way now.
I can hear rocking, but it's kind of muffled. Wood knock. Wood knocks. Pushing trees.
Is that a raven?
That is great.
One or
Sure
more?
that was, 'cause that was way up high.
Yeah.
But them other ones, I don't
No.
think it was. And it might not have been a raven. I'm just thinking it was high up. It sounds like I can hear something walking
Yeah.
every little bit.
Wood knock.
That's a damn road.
I'll just have to watch behind this. I don't need none sneaking
This
up
tree
on
right
us.
here, Mr. Robin, is
Oh,
the one
cool.
that did it. You can still see the claw marks in it. But there's 4 claw marks, and I think there's a 5th one over here where
Oh,
a
wow.
thumb, where a thumb had done. You could tell that it had
Oh, you can
been
see.
a hand. Now that was a tree squeak. But
You can see where something grabbed a hold of it because the bark is pulled off like
but
that.
when it done it, it was still green. Me and Daddy went out this way, parked just like we did. Come right out through here and go and look for deer sign. And when we come back, there it was, shiny and white. It had just been done while we had been gone. I don't know if people can say whatever they want, but we just had something circle because it
Yeah.
started up here. And made noises all the way down and around.
There's a green tree fracture up there right in front of us too. Get closer to see if that's natural or if it's been done.
I think that's been done. Cause there ain't no tree around.
Oh
it.
yeah,
All
look at
on
that.
top of it to
You can see where it's
break it, and
Yep.
it's green.
it's been pulled and not.
Yeah. Yeah, that one's definitely been done.
Yep.
Cause there's nothing big that's failed anywhere around it.
Yep.
Almost like it's got this. We'll see if we can find the pine tree that come out of it, but it looks like it carried the pine top in
Oh,
it
look at that.
and covered the track. Broke this one across it.
Yeah.
And then they had done that with that piece of fiber down in here. But that's like the hummus boat.
These guys are busy, busy. You hear that whistle?
I did. I hear something moving.
It's like the whistle that they were doing to us in Pennsylvania. The but you can tell it's not a bird. And another wood knock.
Something, there's nothing that one there broke off of. It's just been thrown up on top of it. Yeah, that, I see what comes back in the middle down.
Look at this.
And almost,
Did the imprint, yeah.
it might not be, but it sort of looks like.
It does. We found a couple like that yesterday near a tree that had got a nice twist on it. Look, we got pictures of that. Yeah.
Wasn't there something down here while she was coming?
What's that?
I thought I heard something down here while she was coming down from up here.
I don't know how she works. Something comes around, she comes back to us. Don't you? You can see where that tree's been rim racked as I pushed it over. Tim's working for the Forestry Service today to piss off all the Bigfoot.
That's what you call squatch work.
That is.